several visits to the TCP minister, to the chief minister, and to the PWD minister. And all of them were sympathetic to our cause, but no one would promise. Finally, we were driven by circumstances to approach and seek the help of our ex-MLA, Mr. Joakim Alemão. And we are happy to say that Joakim Alemão and Yuri, both together, assured us to help us in whatever way possible. And they told us he had good relationship with the TCP minister, and then he would lead us to him in a delegation. And as promised, we went up to the TCP minister and put forth our grievances and showed him the maps, in fact, that the state highway was not passing through Chandod, it was passing through some other villages. And we showed him that in RP 2021, the road in question was marked as MDR 40. And that day we were convinced that our TCP minister was also convinced that this was the real fact. And he says, as the RP 2021 is in force, there is nothing to worry about. And this was possible because of Joakim and Yuri Alemão, who took pains to take us to the minister and convince him of our point of view. And we are very thankful to the Honorable TCP Minister, to Joakim Alemão, our ex-MLA, and to Yuri Alemão, who is a future for us.
We approached Honorable TCP Minister with Mr. Joakim Alemão's presence and asked him to intervene in the same. On that day, he gave us his word that he would de-notify the state highway because Goenkar Pond is what his party stands for. And yesterday, in the board meeting, he de-notified the state highway. So we are thankful to Honorable TCP Minister, the Chief Minister, for helping us solve the grievances of the villages of Chandor and Girdolim. This is a victory for the people of Chandor and Girdolim and for the committee. All the members, Mr. Dominic, Mr. John Douglas, Joy, the Sarpanch, all the other members, Edward, Derek, all of them together unitedly fought for their village